Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where if you are not using blue light lenses, I'm about to put you onto them because they have honestly changed and saved my eyes, my headaches. I'm super excited to be partnering with a new sponsor. We've got a new Vlook sponsorship. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Oh my goodness, you guys, you probably have not been able to tell, but I have been so sick. Like so sick the past week. I'm finally starting to get over it, but if I sound a little bit stuffy, that is why. Like, I literally, no joke, have been so sick. It was actually crazy. It came out of nowhere. It was after the back-to-back World Series Blue Jays games that Pablo and I went to. I think something must have been in the air, so many people, and back-to-back my body was just absolutely no. So it's been a week and a little bit since I've been that sick. And I'm partnering with Vlook, which, as I mentioned before, I've never worked with them, so always excited to try new brands. And these are an eyewear brand, and let me tell you, I love me my blue light glasses. I work full-time from home for my 9-to-5 job, and then I do content creation and all of this after my full-time job. I work social media for my full-time job. I'm behind a screen all day, the 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day, you name it, I'm behind a screen, and then clock out from that work, and here I am either looking at my camera, editing on my computer, uploading, answering emails, all of that. So blue light lenses have truly saved my eyes. And I also, before I want to get into it, I do have a promo code with them. You can use ALVAREZBOGO, so BOGO. You can buy one get one, orders over $25, so make sure you are using ALVAREZBOGO at checkout. I will have it linked in the description as well as all the links to all the glasses that I'm about to show you. But let's get into it. The first pair of lenses that I picked up are these beautiful brown frames. I am loving brown right now. These are the No Mar lenses. They are so pretty, and as you can see, my ring light, and it's showing as green even though it is white because the blue light lenses, they were nice enough to add the blue light lenses for me. I don't have prescription, so these are non-prescription, but they do have the blue light. But I will show you some prescription ones because they were nice enough to send 2 pairs over that I'm going to be giving to my dad, so they put his prescription, which he needed some new glasses, so this sponsorship came at the perfect time. But these are the ones that I chose. It also comes in a black frame if you do not like the brown. However, I really like the brown, and I like the shape too. They have so many different lenses to pick and choose from, but you'll just be seeing the ones that I chose for myself and then the ones that I thought my dad would like for himself as well. But if none of these catch your attention, you can always take a peek over at their website. These frames were $19.99, and of course the more you add on to it, the lenses, prescription, all of that, they will get more pricey, but the frames themselves are $19.99. If you're interested for these glasses, the width of the lens is 55 millimeters and the length is 46 millimeters, and across over here the length of all of this is 142 millimeters. I do have different measurements and different lenses to show you, some bigger ones, some smaller ones, in betweens, all of that, but I think it is so pretty, and they're also really good quality as well. That's one thing that Pablo and I notice a lot, is the quality of this is really good. They're sturdy. Absolutely love these. I usually honestly just always have my hair tied up when I'm working and then just have the glasses, and my eyes don't hurt. So these are the first pair that I picked up, and each pair comes individually packaged in these really pretty eco-friendly boxes. Always a little worried about how the glasses are going to come, especially if they're just in a boxes like this, but it was packaged beautifully. So inside of that, it also comes with a dust bag, and then inside of that it'll say exactly what your prescription is or what the glasses have on it, so you're able to see. As you can see, I do not have a single prescription on that. Just says Norman Brown blue light lens clear single vision blue light blocking. So this is what I got in that. And then of course they have a cleaning cloth, which absolutely love the cleaning cloth. Let's go ahead and open the second pair. These are the Brittany black glasses, another pair for me as well. I was really curious and I wanted to see the different styles that they had. Also forgot to mention, each of them of course come with the frames protected and the lenses protected as well, but since I wore the other ones a lot, I already took off all of that. But these are the next pair. Again, blue light glasses, no prescription, super cute. Lightweight. These ones are a little bit thinner too along the sides than the other ones that I just showed you. These ones are thicker, as you can see, where these ones are thinner. Both comfortable, I mean, I haven't worn these for too long, but these ones are also super comfortable. So assuming these ones would be comfortable as well. I like the little shape that it has. To be honest, I love just wearing different shapes of glasses. These only came in the black color. They do have a bit of gold detailing on the side, and they retail for $29.99. There is a little close-up of the gold detailing, and then you can see how thin these are. However, they're still good quality. They're pretty flexible. They do seem like they are good quality. You can bend them, not too fragile, which is nice. For these, the length over both of them is 137. The other ones were a little bit longer, if you remember. And then lens-wise, these are actually smaller. So the width for this is 50 and the length is 41 for these instead. So they are a little bit smaller, but still cute. These are the two pairs that I got for myself, and then of course, as mentioned, my dad needed glasses, so this came at the perfect time, and they were nice enough to send him over two pairs of glasses. I won't be trying them on as he does have a prescription, and like I said, I don't use prescriptions, so I don't want to mess up my eyes, but I do want to show you the kinds that I picked for him. As I mentioned, they have different frames, colors, sizes, all of that, so really depending on yourself or who you're gifting it to, they do have a lot of options to choose from. And again, you can use my promo code ALVAREZBOGO. Orders over $25. So here they do say, again, his little prescription. These are the Mackenzie frames. They are clip-on magnetic lenses. I'm gonna try to do this carefully because I don't want to take off the little plastic covering because I have to mail these out to my dad, so I want to make sure they're still packaged beautifully and arrive safely to him. But as you can just see, I just took them off. Super simple to take off. They do have a little magnet over here and then obviously over here as well, so you can see that if he wanted to use his glasses outside, he can just put this on, but if he just wants to use it regular, he can just use it like this, and they work perfectly fine. It does come in 3 colorways. It was a gray, this one is the crystal one, and black. So of course I chose the crystal one. My dad wanted more neutral style frames where you couldn't really tell from far or see them, so of course crystal seemed like the perfect option to go for him. I really like this, and you can't really tell. As you can see, they are a little bit clearer. The frosted edges over here, super easy and lightweight as well, and very easy to take on and off, as it has Polaroid lenses and UV 400. Also, another thing, it has the ergonomic curved little sides over here. Temple, if you can see, it like curves inwards. And since it said it was ergonomic, I was like, let me see if he likes them. They should be comfortable. Also very bendable as well, but durable, good quality. So just in case he's not the nicest with his glasses, they are sturdy enough. So these are the first pair, and shockingly, they only retail for $19.89. And of course, the more you add on, the more expensive it is. I forgot to also mention, they did add blue light for him as well because he does work behind a computer, so he also has the blue light on his lens as well. And then again, if he's outside, he needs to read something, he can just put on the little sunglass attachment that comes with it. And last but certainly not least, we are going to our 4th pair of lenses. These are the Eddie frames, and they retail for $19.99, and of course also do come with the cleaning cloth. All of them, as mentioned, come with that. I didn't know too much about prescriptions and eyes and all of that, but my dad did say he needed progressive, and they were nice enough to give us progressive as well. If you need progressive prescription, they can also do that. So this, again, as mentioned, is the Eddie, and these are black. I think black is super sleek. These are also very thin as well, and he wanted some that were small. If you can see the difference between mine and his, mine are a little bit bigger. I do like the bigger kind of frames, where he likes more small. Lengthwise it's 36 and widthwise it is 52. I'm gonna take off the paper just so you can see them a little bit better like this without having the paper interrupt. So again, these are his and these are mine. I do like the big chunky kind of style more, so obviously that's what I went for. I really like it like that. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my discount code as well, ALVAREZBOGO, for orders over $25. I'm gonna go rest and make a medicine tea because I feel just a little bit stuffy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!